In order to disable autoplay videos on Facebook, the process is straightforward on both Android and iOS devices. First, you need to go ahead and open your Facebook or Facebook Lite application on your mobile device. Tap on the three lines in the top right corner of your screen. Then, after scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, and then go to Settings. From this page, you need to again scroll down and go to Media that you will find in the Preference section. Here in this page, you will see the section of autoplay in feed and stories, and you'll get three different options, that is on mobile data and Wi-Fi, on Wi-Fi only and never. Make sure that you've set this option to never and you'll be done. You can also go through other options like data saver, video quality, sounds, and automatically re-share to stories and set them according to your preference. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.